Hello everyone, so welcome back again, and the topic is spanning tree Portfast. Basically, the spanning tree Portfast is configured over the non-trunking links because the STP protocol takes approximately 30 to 30 second to boot up an interface because there are lots of states like blocking state to the forwarding state. It will take 30 second because in this transition 15 second will be taken by the listening state and 15 second will be taken by the learning state. Well, there is no loop formation on a interface that is connected to PC, but it is taking the 30 second to boot up. Okay. And if I talk about the purpose for this port fast is to eliminate these state from the interface. Okay, let's go to the Cisco packet tracer and discuss about this one. Okay, dear. So let us assume that this is a PC that I'm going to connect with this switch. But what I will see that whenever I will connect this switch to this PC, so it will take show spanning tree. It will take 30 seconds to boot up because currently it is in listening state, right or not? It is in listening state and it will take around 30 seconds to boot up. The question is that it is still in learning state. So what is the problem with this kind of network or link is that there is no loop formation can be possible in between a PC and a switch. There can be no loop. If there will be no loop formation, why it is going with the STP states like listening state or learning state, which take approx 30 seconds to boot up? Why? There cannot be any loop formation over here because it is AND device. The PC is connected and this is the AND device, but still it is facing the issue. What are these issues? That it has to go through the listening and learning state. Why can't it will be forwarded to forwarding state from blocking? It can be possible. Yeah, it can be possible if I will configure the port fast over this interface. If I configure the port fast over this interface, so it can be directly forwarded to what? The forwarding state without moving through listening and learning state. That is take approx 30 seconds. Okay. Let's do the configuration of port fast and we'll see what will happen. Okay. So we have to go to this switch and select the interface first. Global configuration mode interface FA0/3. Okay. Spanning spanning tree port fast. That's it. But whenever I will configure this port fast, there will be a warning that it only can be configured over the non-trunking link. It can be configured over the non-trunking link or the link where we can need the single VLAN information. So this is a non-trunking link. We don't need the multiple VLAN here. So that is why we can configure the port fast here. And only single line of configuration is there. Spanning tree port fast, selecting the interface, and these two commands are there to to configure the port fast. Okay. And now let me disconnect this, shut down this interface. Okay. Interface FA0/3 shut down. So it will be shut down when I will put a command, when I will turn on this link again. So you will see that it will be quickly boot up, show spanning tree. Oh, this is in forwarding state. Within some microsecond, it will be in forwarding state because we have eliminated the we have skipped the two other because we have skipped the listening and learning state of the STP. Okay, dear, have a nice day. I hope you like the session.